If you've ever tried using Microsoft Windows Search, you know how useless it is. It takes forever to search for something, and even after all that time, it still doesn't find what we need. What if I told you there's a solution to this, and it can search for anything in a snap? It's lightning fast, searches as you type, and has a lot of features to filter exactly what you're looking for. It's actually a free piece of software built by a great team. I'm going to show you the software, do a demo of it, and explain the useful and advanced features it gives you to refine your searches. The name of the software is Everything. If you search for Everything Search on Google, you can find this website called Void Tools. You can download the software from there easily. The normal installer will work for most people, so if you don't know what these terms mean, just download it using the first button called Download Installer. As I showed you earlier, you can type in anything you want to search for in the text box here, and it will immediately go through the whole directory of files on your PC and show you the results. It's amazingly fast. You don't even have to type the name correctly. Even if you type only parts of the name, it still shows the results. You can see it highlights the words catch, if, and can, since those are the words I searched for. If you want the file or folder name to match exactly what you type, you can use quotation marks. See how it doesn't show the movie file now because it had dots between the words, not spaces. You have to type it exactly as it is to get that result. Then if you want to match the case, which means whether the letters are lowercase or uppercase, you can turn on this option under the search menu. The Match Whole Word option does the same thing as quotation marks. What Match Path does is search the keyword you type in the file's path to. So even if the file name itself doesn't match, it will still list the file if its path contains the keyword. Then this Enable Regex option is a very powerful tool. If you don't know what Regex is, it's a coding system used to describe a special character pattern we need. Let's say you need to search for file names that contain a phrase with a letter, then a number, then capital letter A, then another letter and a number. The file name can contain anything else, but it should have this pattern somewhere. You can use Regex for this. If you don't know Regex syntax, just use any AI tool for that. Tell it what you need, and it will give you the Regex code. You can see a few examples here too. Enable Regex in our tool and paste the Regex code into the search bar. You can see that you get all the matching file names. If you delete these parts from the Regex code, you can see it highlights our pattern in the file names. Also, in the search menu, you have options to filter by file type. For example, you can search only videos or audio files, or even only folders. If you want to search a specific directory or folder, not the entire PC, you can use the Advanced Search option in the search menu. Choose the folder you need from here. Untick Include subfolders if you only want to search the exact folder you selected and not the subfolders inside it. Type the words you need to search, and you'll get results only from that folder. Another option in Advanced Search is that you can tell the software to exclude certain words when searching for files. For example, if I search for Catch Me, but exclude if, then I don't get the movie file like before because it contains the word if. Also, you can sort the files according to date, name, or extension. Something I do when my storage gets full is sort all the files on my computer by size, so I can see which files are the largest and delete them if they're unnecessary. Very convenient. Another interesting feature this search tool has is that it can preview or play files inside the tool itself. You don't have to locate them and open them separately just to see what's inside. Also, you can show files as thumbnails so you can get an idea of the file type and see a small preview if it's a photo or a video. It's very easy to navigate this way. Another important feature is that if you search the same query repeatedly, you can save that search. Add a name for your search, and type here what you're searching for. Tick these options if they're relevant. You can add a keyboard shortcut too. You'll find your Save Search under here, or you can use the keyboard shortcut you entered. That's all for this video. Subscribe if you want to know more tools like this. Don't forget to like the video, and thank you for watching.